All right, so here we go. Sea surface temperatures. Why has it been so warm and humid lately? We look to the ocean. Really, that's for everything. And it's also the reason why we have this major hurricane out there. Very warm ocean water across the Atlantic and right on our doorstep. So wherever you see the yellow and the orange, here you go. We are above average. No blue on this map, no below average water temperatures. So when you've got that heat source right there, right next to you, this is why we're starting off in the low 80s. And that's impressive considering we're not even looking at a rush of wind coming in from the ocean. And by the way, Virginia Key, I was just looking at their water temperature yesterday. It's like over 90. I don't remember that happening. I've been working here over 10 years, 13 years, I think. And I don't remember seeing 90+ degree water temperatures on the Atlantic side. Yes, around Tampa, Clearwater, these kinds of places, but that is really warm. So warm temperatures, you've got all that warm ocean, you have high humidity. Feels like temperatures low to mid 90s already. Now, technically, we aren't tracking any heat advisories today, but it's going to be close. Feels like temps above 100. Now to the steering winds. At the surface and upstairs, north to south. What does that mean? That means afternoon thunderstorms. You know, if we had a strong push of east wind, it would push the storms to the west coast. But with the winds right out of the north, these storms that you see out over the Atlantic waters right now are going to really develop here over land and make for a busy afternoon. Right now, we're looking pretty smooth everywhere across South Florida. Let's get you to Hurricane Erin. Right now, there's that center. A little more ragged for sure. It's a little weaker. 750 miles to the southeast of Cape Hatteras, North Carolina. But it is still a major hurricane, and it's a large wind field here. That's the bottom line. So winds 115, moving to the northwest at 17 miles per hour. And what does that mean as far as winds? What you're seeing here, yellow, these are sustained winds, the tropical storm force. So you see, it's a possibility here for the Carolinas, even though that system is well offshore. It's the size of that wind field, right? And then that system continues to work to the north and east, maybe even tropical storm force winds in Canada, Nova Scotia. This does happen from time to time. So here are the advisories. We've got tropical storm watches out and warnings for portions of the Turks and Caicos and the Bahamas. We've got tropical storm watches now out for Cape Hatteras because we have that chance, that possibility of tropical storm force winds in the next 48 hours. Here's that track and intensity forecast. We have a Cat 3 near the coast, or close enough anyway, that yes, we could be talking about tropical storm force winds. Then that system moves to the north and east, and we'll be saying good riddance to that system. All right, we've got more behind Erin, though. 60% chance of development with this cluster of showers and storms in the central Atlantic. Possible development zone right behind Erin, so we'll be watching that one closely. And then yet another one right behind that one here. So things getting busy in the tropics. I do want to show you a future tracker real quick for today. I'm thinking more afternoon storms, and with that steering wind due north to south, this is why I think more of us will see storms today versus yesterday, but delayed just enough that we are going to be hot again. Mid 90s for at least the next few days.